Honey, I'm home. So excited. I'm here. I'm here in my new apartment in Dallas. We're here. We're here. It's nice and bright in here. I wanted good lighting. Again, I did not want to go any darker. This is much bigger than my last apartment, so I have a little bit more space. I'm so happy. Like, look at, I have so much more closet space now. My last two apartments just did not have this, and I'm glad because I'm ready to start like getting back into my fashion again. And we have a standing shower this time. So I was excited to have a standing shower again. Kind of missed it. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I definitely I'm gonna go get all my cleaning stuff. And we're gonna clean this apartment because they be saying they clean. It's not the same at all. And I'm just looking at it and like maybe because I'm super like anal about my cleaning, I'm just like, this ain't it. And also was looking at the toilet seat. I want to get a new toilet seat cover as well. Like, yeah, I gotta add my own touches to this place. We're here. I'm so happy and excited. All right, let me get to cleaning. When I get some vinegar, I'm gonna definitely like be getting in there because that thing is so disgusting. It smells so bad. I'm probably being excessive over here, but extra is my middle name. Syndie. Oh, yeah. Wait, yeah. Syndie N and Syndie. Syndie N and Syndie G. Y'all might see some more of her. She is the true cook. Y'all need to follow her cooking videos. My videos have nothing on hers. Viewer discretion advised.
Oh yeah. Apart from the Mali.
Oh!
This is bad. I know all the hair. Oh my god. So this is a few days later after cleaning the kitchen, the bathroom, and doing like an initial
clean of floors and vacuuming, I was just doing a deeper clean into some of the things that I'm going to be using on a regular basis, and that's the washer and dryer. And the person who lived here before, they just did not do a good job cleaning or taking care of this apartment, and I was finding a lot of cat hair in random places. And so I'm allergic to cats, and also I just think it's disgusting to just have that all around. So I was going into every nook and cranny in this washer and just like cleaning it out, disinfecting it, removing cat hair, and really putting my own touch on things, because this is something I'm going to be using all the time, and I need it to be clean. This is gross. This is all cat hair. And one, it's absolutely gross. It's disgusting. Two, like, this person here was definitely not a clean person. And three, I'm allergic to cats. And we got our toilet bowl seat. I'm gonna change that right now because I want to go actually like use my toilet. I've been like not really like sitting down on it, and if I do, I've been putting stuff on there. Call me OCD. I just couldn't do it. I just can't do it. I can't do it. Me can't do it. So I'm gonna go do that right now first, honestly. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna go. I'm getting my what's it called? Screwdriver. And we're gonna unscrew this toilet seat. And then I can finally like start using my bathroom how I want to. But yesterday, oh my gosh, I was like scrubbing like nobody's business. Like when I tell you, I'm gonna need to get a massage, because the amount of scrubbing I've been doing to make this place like spotless and clean needs to be studied. Whew. But this is the last thing, is changing this toilet seat. I still need to mop and do the floors in here. That's the other thing as well. Because I did one pass, but I like to do 2 or 3 passes. But I need to go to the store to get some stuff. But all right, guys, we are about to take this off, okay? I realized that I was doing this the wrong way and the longer way. So there's a much easier and quicker way, and then I wouldn't have to like see all of this nastiness. Like, it was so disgusting. I'm gonna switch, just like move on to the next part of me taking it off, just because it was gross. But I ended up just getting a toilet seat from Amazon. Actually, it's pretty affordable, and it's actually better than the one that they had. So I think nowadays that's gonna be my new thing. It's making sure I change the toilet seat. I've been lucky in my last few apartments where I was the first person to use to live in the apartment, to dwell in there. So this is the first time I'm not like the first one. So I've had to do a little bit more deep cleaning than usual, but now I'm in a space where I feel like I'm ready to start decorating and like moving in and unpacking. So in the next vlog, we're gonna start unpacking and doing some decorating, and also starting to explore Dallas. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I know it was just like a quick video of me deep cleaning this apartment, but we have a lot more to share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay. So after you screw these in, you're supposed to lock them. And then push them down. Voila. Brand new toilet seat. Yay! And then there's these things that they're called bumpers, I guess. Yay! We did it! Now I'm gonna throw this away.